Yo guys, what's up? Ron here again, and this is my access to the members area of Cashless Creator. Now, in my original video review for Cashless Creator, I wasn't not given access to the members area. I do have access for it right now. It came a little bit last minute, but I wanted to make a quick video, nothing too long, about what it's going to be like when you purchase Cashless Creator by clicking the link below and getting started. But when you log on here and you log in, and you come to the members area, this is what it's going to look like. There's the dashboard. I'll just kind of click on it, and this is it. When you click on it, there's support and there's logout. You'll get a welcome video from Jono Armstrong. So Dawid's teamed up with Jono on this. You'll get an overview of Cashless Creator. You can set up your membership site, a video on that, and they'll get the main training. Like I said in my original video review for Cashless Creator, the product is for beginners, intermediates, and advanced. So these are the training videos for that. And then getting traffic to your membership website. They'll show you a video for that. They'll give you a conclusion on wrapping things up. You'll get some bonus training as well. So affiliate marketing training for beginners, 0 to 100 in 24 hours, the secret weapon, rank any YouTube video in 24 hours, and 10 websites to earn $100 a day. So you'll get those 5 bonuses plus my 5 bonuses by clicking the link below and getting my custom bonuses I have added in for Cashless Creator as well. And then you'll get access to the upgrades again as well. And then Aiden Corky also offered a special bonus as well, and they'll get unadvertised bonus and optional extras. So that is the membership area for Cashless Creator. And once again, when I do my video reviews and my bonus page reviews for any said product that's going to be launching, I like to take people into the members area, but I'm not there to kind of have a full-blown course. That's what the training material is for. That's why these guys have worked hard on putting it together so you could understand it. I mean, watching something I were to do, if I had some extra tips and tricks, perhaps I would post it as a bonus, additional bonus for you guys, or maybe a separate video that I would upload to YouTube. But for the most part, listen to what these guys have to say, implement what they have to say, and then just take action, right? The whole purpose of me actually doing a little sneak peek into the members area is strictly for you guys to take a look at things and seeing, okay, this is what I have to do. I mean, all these videos don't look too long. I mean, in reality, like the course says, you can have your website up and running and earning profit in 24 hours. That's less than a day. These videos are fairly short as far as I know, right? So, and another thing is they work very hard. I'm not here to spoil things. I just want to give you guys a preview. So that is my actual preview of the membership area and Cashless Creator. Like I said, the video is going to be short. I didn't have it ready in time for my video review for Cashless Creator, and I do apologize for that. It was very hard to get a hold of the product creator and get that, but I finally got it today, so I wanted to shoot a quick video and upload it to you guys. All right, so you guys have all the information. If you do need access to my video review, click the link below in the descriptions. I'll put a link for it and getting started on it. So that's all you guys need to know. Go out there and crush it. This product launches tomorrow at 6 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, 9 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. Now, once again, the name of the product is called Cashless Creator, and my name is Ron, and this is my preview of the membership area for Cashless Creator. Now get started, guys, by clicking the link below and getting in on this product. Take care, guys. Peace.